Look, see, look, we're watching.
Are you going to watch Little Bear with Aunt Kaylin eating a giant strawberry?
He's running.
That is a very big strawberry.
Good morning, Owl.
You know you're being videotaped, right?
I thought you were taking a picture.
No, I'm video.
You said you were going to take a picture.
This is the flip.
I didn't even notice. You said it was going to be a picture.
I'm sorry.
Thanks a lot.
Aunt Kaylin and Aunt Kaylin, Boz Kaylin. Aunt Kaylin, Boz Kaylin. Aunt Kaylin, Boz Kaylin. Look at that beautiful strawberry face.
Ted, do you want to play?
Here, Kaylin. Yes, thank you. Look at that beautiful strawberry face. She's so beautiful, this baby.
Have you seen her?
And she loves to watch Little Bear. That strawberry is big as you are. I wish this thing took pictures also.
They have a new flip out that is a touch screen.